Welcome, today we're going to show you how to create free Minecraft Aternos server. So it's actually very easy. The first thing that you need to actually do is to search for Aternos website. So you need to actually just search for Aternos on any browser as see from here. And now you will find Aternos website. Now you need to click on it and this menu will open. So to get your actual server you need to actually just press on play as see from here. And now you need to log into your account. So you can actually log in using username, password, or you can just sign up, or you can sign in using Google. So it's the easiest method. So now after you sign into your account, I'll see from here you can actually just click on create a server, click on it. So you can manipulate the ID from here or the name of the actual server. After that, you can have a lot of other blueprints from here. Also, you can just click on create. So as see from here, there will be a lot of settings to change. You can just add modes, you can change the server settings. So if you go to options, I'll see from here, there will be a lot of settings to change, like the slots, difficulty, the game mode, BVB on or off, fly or not. I'll see from here, you can change everything. After that, you can actually just hop onto the server and play with your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.